Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to explain you about Osmania University UG degree BCom Journal and BCom Computers BCom first year semester 1 students, what subjects they are having in their semester 1 for their academics. Let's see the subject students on screen. First for BCom Journal, BCom first year semester 1 students, academic year 2024 to 25 subjects. Now what subjects you are having under that? First is English, that is your first language, and this subject is having 100 marks, and this 100 marks consist of 80 marks as an external exam that is conducted by Osmania University, and 20 marks is for internal exam that is conducted by your colleges. Now next you have second language. Under second language you have Arabic, Urdu, Hindi, Telugu, Sanskrit, like that. From these languages you have to select any one language, and languages is also having 100 marks, 80 marks for external exam, 20 marks for internal exam. Now next subject you have AECCI. Under that the first subject is environmental science and the second subject is basic computer skills. Here you have two subjects. From these two subjects you have to study any one. Here your college will select any one subject, environmental studies or either basic computer skills. Whatever subject is selected by your college, that you have to study. Now the next subject you have financial accounting 1. Financial accounting 1 is a practical subject, and again it is 100 marks. From that 100 marks, 80 marks external exam, 20 marks for internal exams. Now next subjects you have business organization and management. It is completely theory subject. This paper is also having 100 marks. Now next subject is foreign trade. This is also a theory subject for BCom Journal students. So students, these are the subjects for BCom Journal semester 1 students of Osmania University for the academic year 2024 to 2025. Now on screen next we have BCom Computers Application students, BCom first year semester 1 for the academic year 2024 to 2025 subjects. Now on screen you can see clearly the subjects. The subjects for BCom Journal and BCom Computers, almost all the subjects are same. Only one subject is changed, that is last subject. Now let's see. First, computer students, again they have first language that is English, then second language, under that Arabic, Urdu, Hindi, Telugu, Sanskrit. You have to select any one subject as a second language. Now next you have AECCI paper. Under that you have environmental science and basic computer skills. From these two, any one subject you have to study. Whatever subject is selected by your college, that subject you have to study. Now next you have financial accounting 1. Financial accounting 1 is a common subject for BCom Journal and BCom Computer students, and financial accounting is completely practical subject. Now next subject is business organization and management. Business organization management is also a common subject for BCom Journal and BCom Computer students, and this subject is a theory subject. Now the next subject is fundamentals of information technology. Only this subject is different from journal students to computer students. BCom computer students, they have fundamentals of information technology. So students, these are the subjects for BCom Journal and BCom Computer students for semester 1 for the academic year 2024 to 2025. I hope all of you understand now what subject you will have in your semester 1. So students, what is the passing marks for degree, and how the grades will be awarded by Osmania University, and what is the 0.5 rule For that I already uploaded videos on my YouTube channel. So please visit there, see the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends. Students, this channel is an educational channel, and on this channel you will get all the important questions, all the updates related to your academics. So students, like and share this video with all your friends. And if you are new to my channel and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. So students, like and share this video with all your friends. And students, stay connected with us because I'm going to upload very soon some more videos relating to your all subjects. So inform your friends about the channel, about the videos, about the upcoming videos also. And students, thanks for watching the video.